Do you want to make your captions and titles stand out? In this tutorial, I'll show you how to style and animate text in CapCut Mobile. Oh, what are we waiting for? Let's get started. For the step number 1, open the CapCut app on your mobile device. Tap New Project and select the video you want to edit from your gallery. Once you've chosen your clip, tap Add to import it in your editing timeline. The second step is to tap Next from the bottom menu and select Add Text. Type the words or title you want to display, then tap the check mark to place the text on your video. With the text selected, explore the available styling options. You can change the font, adjust the size, choose a color, and add outline or shadow. Pick a design that matches the theme and mood of your video while keeping it easy to read. For the next step is the animation. You can see there the animation tab and tap it. You will find 3 categories: in, out, and loop. Choose an in animation to control how text appears, an out animation for it to disappear, or a loop animation to keep it moving. Tap an animation to preview it and adjust its duration if option is available. Now, press the play button to preview your text animation. And that's how you style and animate text in CapCut Mobile. Turn simple words into stunning visuals. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. God bless.